Hey, once you finish the replace your throttle body, what you want to do is calibrate your throttle body. Basically, it's easy and simple. What you want to do is turn on the car, like on position, but you actually don't start it, and then you slowly press the gas pedal down slowly to the floor, and then leave it for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, you want to release your foot slowly from the gas pedal, and then until you're finished done. And then once you're done, you want to shut off the car and count on about 10 to 20 seconds, and then you just start the car, and that's how you calibrate your throttle body. Okay, on 2010 Dodge Caliber. Thank you for watching. Peace.